Hey guys, this is TJ here with HD Pocket Doors. We're walking through one of our most recent projects here. This is a house built by Sonoran Desert Homes for the Gary Sinise Foundation. It's for a wounded veteran. We have 8 frames in this house, and we'd like to demonstrate to you the ease of accessibility in somebody who may be handicapped, wheelchair bound, or has issues with doors sitting in the middle of openings that need to get walked through all the time. So we're going to kind of show you how our product mends well into a smart home and an adaptive home. In this room here, we have 3 pocket doors. One leads from the bedroom into your bath. And as you can see, I'm standing in between 3 of these frames, and there isn't a single door in sight, right? That's the good thing about pocket door frames. You're saving space. You could have walls with plumbing on a wall with a pocket door. As you can see right here, this one goes into the closet. Soft close, soft open. Nothing is hindered by having plumbing in your walls. Obviously the jam's a little wider on one side, but you got all these nice fixtures right here in a pocket door frame. This one going into the water closet. And the one coming from the bath into the bedroom. It's seamless. It looks so beautiful when they're closed, but also when they're open, you don't even know that it's there. That's the good thing about pocket door frames. And everything is customizable. So obviously most of the doors in this house are going to be 3 foot wide. That way you can get wheelchairs inside of it. And there's a lot of different hardware you can put on these doors to make ease of access for if you happen to not be able to latch on your fingers onto the handle. You know, you could have your handle sticking out of the doors, or even a foot pull. We've seen all kinds of different stuff as far as that goes. So 3 pocket doors in this room. Let's head on over. There's 2 in another bedroom. Same concept here. Pocket door from bedroom to bathroom, and then pocket door from bathroom into the closet. This still just showcases the amount of space that you could save by using a pocket door. Everything is soft open, soft close. You never have to worry about them banging into the pockets, banging off the jamb. They're relatively easy to pull also. You know, you could put a 200-pound door on here and pull it with one finger. Very impressive in my opinion. Other end of the house, we have the master bed and bath. We'll go check those frames out. So master bedroom here, got a pocket door on each side of the bed. Basically gives you easy use. You're on the right side of the bed, you go in that door. You're on the left side of the bed, you go in this door. This wall is a lot wider also, probably sitting at about 12 inches here, but we've got a full double vanity on this side. So you got plumbing, electrical, tile, cabinet. We can make our frames wide enough to fit anything you need to put on the wall. It's very, very customizable application. Just like that, you got full privacy. Coming from the master bath into the master closet, got another wide wall here. Who wants to have a door hanging out in your closet all day long, taking up space? Nobody. We're really impressed with this project. We think everything came out really good, and we're also very grateful to be able to give back to the community like this, be involved in a project where we're helping out, you know, a fellow service member of the United States Marine Corps. If you're interested in anything you see here at this shoot today, like putting a pocket door in a wide wall, putting a pocket door on a wall that has plumbing, electrical, you need backer for tile or cabinets, we can do all that stuff customized in the shop and send it right to your job site. No modifications needed in the field. Reach out to us at hdpocketdoors.com and let's get your order started.